Using Chicago to cite sources in your footnotes or endnotes. Chicago's notes and bibliography system uses either footnotes or endnotes in combination with your bibliography. The notes provide space for source citations as well as for commentary on the sources cited. Footnotes appear at the bottom of each page of a paper. Endnotes may appear at the end of a chapter or just before the bibliography page. Consult your professor to find out whether he or she prefers you to use footnotes or endnotes. Citation placement in the text and in the note. When you reference a source in your paper, you should insert a note to cite your source material. A note number immediately follows a closing quotation mark, comma, semicolon, or period, and in the text it is set as a superscript number. Do not put any punctuation after this number. Begin with number 1 and continue in numerical order. Each number will have its corresponding footnote at the bottom of the page or endnote in the end matter following the text. In the note itself, the number is full-sized, not raised, and followed by a period. A note will include the author, the title, capitalized headline style, publication information, and specific page numbers. Remember that the citation elements needed for a journal article are different from the citation elements needed for a book. The elements of a note citation. When creating a footnote or endnote for a journal article, you will include the following elements: the author's name in first name, last name order, comma, article title in quotation marks with a comma, journal title in italics, volume number, comma, issue number, year in parentheses followed by a colon, and the specific page numbers for the cited material. If you consulted an online version of the article, your citation should also include the article's unique digital object identifier, DOI, or permalink, which may also be referred to as a persistent URL or stable URL. In that case, the page numbers will be followed by a comma, then the DOI or permalink. The end of the citation is marked by a period. If you found the article while searching a library database, look for the DOI and/or permalink on the database results page. If a DOI or permalink is not available, it may be best to provide the name of the online database where the article was found. When creating a footnote or endnote for a book, you will include the following elements: the author's name in first name, last name order, comma, book title in italics, begin in parentheses, publisher, comma, year, ending parentheses, comma, and the specific page numbers for the cited material, followed by a period. For a book or journal article with 2 or 3 authors, include both authors' names in first name, last name order. You will likely have multiple citations to a single source, so if you cite the same source again, you may use a shortened form of the note. Please be aware of an important difference about Chicago style. Citations for footnotes or endnotes and citations for the bibliography are not the same. For additional citation examples, please consult the Chicago Manual of Style online.